Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll give you another updates on my account. It has been a week since I last posted, so I would think this is a good time to give everyone an update. Also, the reason why I'm not posting so regularly is due to some work commitment, as well as, as I try to do videos, such videos on YouTube. I find that if no one view your videos or your video doesn't catches anyone's attention, as you continue to do the video, you record the video, you edit the video, and you post it on YouTube, and over time, you somehow get tired when you doesn't get the views you want. So I guess I should to persist to continue to do videos, and just hopefully one day my viewerships get higher and more people that see my video give me a thumbs up button, and YouTube algorithm will help me push the video up, so more people will be able to catch what I'm doing. Yep. So enough said. So let's go through the portfolio now. So portfolio now at $6,712. The P&L over here, you can see right here is $243. So the cash input for this account currently is about $6,500. Let's quickly go through the portfolio table here and see how is it doing. You can see most of the stocks that I picked currently are all in the green. Today is a live trading day. It's a Tuesday. So you can see over right here, these are the P&L for today. Overall, you can see all the stocks that I picked currently are still doing well. But anyway, the market is at all-time high now. So most of the stocks that you buy should be in the greens. If you bought it like a few months earlier, should be in the green. Let us begin going through one by one the individual company. Firstly, ELF. ELF, you see right here, the P&L is at about $80 now. And let's go inside and see the chart. So recently, this past 1 week or so, there's not much news for ELF. These are the buying points around, they are hovering around this. So ELF can be a stock that is, when they are moving up, they go up in a strong way. And if you are going down, they come down in a strong way as well. So this stock is still trending up. You can see since April, it's still trending upwards. So hopefully it can go higher. If it drop further, then we'll add more shares. Next. Marvell. Marvell is a recent position. It's doing quite well too. I bought it around here on the support line somewhere here. I see some support right here. Yeah, so if you're going for long-term investment, Marvell is also a fundamentally not too bad company. And you can see it's heading upwards, so there's some resistance over this side. So we shall see whether it will drop down. If it's able to drop down further, then we can add some shares as well. If not, we'll just continue to hold and we'll see how. Next, we have FTNT. We went through last week some of the numbers. We've seen the balance sheet and the income statement, all this for FTNT has been hovering around this range. I bought it around here and here. Oh, I did add some more shares here, just a bit more. So it's bouncing up and down this range. Still, let's see whether it can break through this $85 mark. I think $85 mark. Right, next. Not much new recently for Fortinet as well. So NVIDIA, yes, NVIDIA is the company that has a lot of attention recently. Yeah, we look at the chart itself here. Over the past week, NVIDIA has reported that they have partnership with the OpenAI. So they made some investment and they have partnered with Intel previously. A lot of positive news coming up from NVIDIA. The market has taken it positively. That's why you can see the shares is finally like breaking through the range here, the range bound here that we spoke about, I think, in some videos back. Today, it seems like it has already break out. So it may go higher, this trend moving upwards. Yes, but it will be based on the news that we'll be getting for NVIDIA, because NVIDIA recently has been getting in a lot of news. We'll see how it goes. If NVIDIA managed to come back to the maybe below 170 or below 160, I would think it's a good time to enter NVIDIA again. But for now, we just let it run and see how it goes. Next. Celsius. I recently have purchased I think 1 or 2 more shares of Celsius. So Celsius for the past this week has been trending down. You can see here, drop right here, and then it has been now going up again. Today it's like an up and down, so not sure whether you close up or close down. So hopefully can go back to their highs of about $60 and above. Okay, next let us look at Amazon here. Let's see. Amazon today is going down 1.3%, so about $219. We do not get any news from Amazon recently. Has been also waving up and down this range. You can see around here. Let me draw around 238. Right, the maximum they can go 238. Nothing here. Alright. You see has been bouncing a lot here recently. Around this range. So if it can break above 238 or maybe even 240, then probably we'll see it go higher. If it break below 220 like today, if it goes down to, let me draw this line. I think it's around here. This is a more support line, about 215. I think if you break below 215, then we may see it going down. Then probably a chance to add as well, below 215. Okay, next. AMD. So now we talk about AMD. This is, in this portfolio, this is my biggest position at about $650 here. Let's see the chart. I would say there's not a lot of news recently. You can see the last few 1-2 weeks, you see NVIDIA is hovering around this area. Yes, so cute, just bouncing up and down this area. Not much positive news. It's kind of like a neutral. Their competitors are like, NVIDIA is like creating a lot of news in the market, but not them. So they're very quiet. We don't hear so much from AMD partnering anyone, you know. Such news, you can take it positively or negatively. The market is also quite confused now. So probably you have to wait for some news to come out to give some booster, be up or down, to give some booster for this stock to go for this stock to go higher or go lower. That's my take on it. Yes, we have to wait for the next, probably have to wait for the next earnings report to see how's the market direction going for AMD. But long term, like I mentioned before, this is a strong competitor for NVIDIA. And compared to NVIDIA, it's still a very small company. And hopefully their products will be able to challenge NVIDIA in the long run. So it's kind of like a mid to long-term play. And we cannot say that we don't have any risk involved for AMD. There's still some risk for AMD because if their competitors work together or partner each other, even video, they can also come in and to become a new challenger in this field. There may be some challenge for AMD. So let's see how. We'll monitor closely. Not a very big position that I have, although it's the biggest in this portfolio. So we see whether it can come down lower, then we can see whether we still want to add shares or we just wait for it to go down lower or let it go up. Next. The last one, Adobe. Adobe, I mentioned many times in the videos, is a very fundamentally strong company. It's just that the business model now doesn't appeal so much to the consumer. What I meant is investors are worried that all the AIs and all the other small software company software are creating a very serious competition for Adobe. That's this kind of sentiment. Investor doesn't like it, so they are still like, one day it's going up, the next day it's coming down. They are hovering between this area, same like it's unable to break through anything, unable to break down this $330, or unable to also hit that, go above $400. I would say it's around this range. More likely this range, 375 to 340. It's always around here. Okay. I guess that's it for this week. I just want to make a quick video to update on the portfolio itself, and due to my work schedule, I'm unable to make a longer video. We'll see how. During the midweek, if I'm free, then we can have another video. Yeah. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please leave me a like button. This will really help me and give me more motivation to create more videos like that. If you are keen, please do subscribe as well. And if you have any comments, please help to leave in the comment section. If not, I will see you in the next one. Bye.